Hey there, future achiever. If you've found your way here, it means you're thinking about growth, and that's already a step ahead of the rest. The world is moving fast, but so can you. The only thing standing between where you are now and where you want to be is the decision to learn, evolve, and take control of your future. Think about the work you do every day. Will it still be relevant in 5 years? Technology is advancing at a pace we've never seen before. AI, automation, and machine learning are no longer the future, they're happening now. Jobs that once required human effort are increasingly being replaced by smarter, faster, and more cost-effective technology. Take a moment and consider this. What if your job involves repetitive tasks? Will companies continue to pay humans to do it? What if you don't learn new skills? Will you be able to compete with those who do? What if automation takes over? Will you still have the same career opportunities? The reality is that the workforce is changing, and the safest way to protect your future is to upskill now. Why 2025 is the best time to upskill? Companies are no longer just looking for experience. They want professionals who can adapt, think critically, and leverage technology to improve efficiency. If you don't upskill, you risk 1. Limited career growth. 2. Lower job security. As companies automate, they prioritize employees with advanced skills. 3. Missed salary hikes. But here's the good news, you don't need to start over. All it takes is learning the right skills that companies actually need. The best career boosting programs for 2025. So, where should you start? That depends on your career goals and current skills. Here are some of the most in-demand training programs that will help you stay ahead. Want to enter IT with no coding experience? Start with software testing. A beginner-friendly course that helps you break into IT. Learn how to test software, report bugs, and ensure product quality, no coding required. Are you already in manual testing? Then, it's time to move into automation. Manual testing is becoming less common as companies adopt automation. Learning Selenium, with Java or Python, will make you a more valuable asset in the job market. Looking for a future-proof skill that can open multiple doors? Learn Python. Companies are looking for testers who can write test scripts and automate workflows. Python is one of the easiest programming languages to learn and is widely used in automation and AI. Want to go beyond testing and become a full-stack automation expert? Software development engineers in SDET are in high demand because they can write code, automate tests, and work with DevOps tools. This role commands high salaries and job security. Not interested in coding but still want a career in tech? Business analysis is for you. If you enjoy problem solving and working with data but don't want to code, a business analyst role is a great choice. Learn Agile, Scrum, and Jira while helping businesses make smarter decisions. Looking for a specialized skill in a booming industry? Mobile testing is key. The demand for mobile apps is higher than ever, and companies need skilled testers to ensure their apps function seamlessly across devices. Want a complete package that covers everything? Then you can enroll in Master of Software Testing. This program covers manual testing, automation, API testing, mobile testing, and career guidance, everything you need to become a top-tier tester. The future is yours, take action now. The workplace is evolving right now. You have 2 choices, stay where you are and hope your job doesn't change. 2. Or take action, upskill, and stay ahead of the competition. Which one will you choose? Decide and join Infotech Solutions today. Call us at 802-518-0095 or mail us at training@infotechsolutions.com. Start your journey today.